Hello everyone. As a part of this video, we are going to cover manual testing interview questions and answer. Below is the list of the question and this is the part 6 video. So let's start with the first question. What is boundary value analysis? Boundary value analysis is a testing technique where test cases are designed to check the edges of input ranges as errors often occur at these boundaries. Example, first is identify input range. Minimum length is 6 character, maximum length is 12 character. Second, determines boundary values. The value at and around the boundaries. First, just below the minimum 5 characters, invalid condition. Second, minimum boundary 6 characters, valid condition. 3, just above the minimum 7 characters, valid condition. Fourth, just below the maximum 11 characters, valid condition. Fifth, maximum boundary 12 characters, valid condition. Sixth, just above the maximum 13 characters, invalid condition. So min minus 1 and max plus 1 are the invalid condition. Rest are all the valid condition. So let's understand why use BVA for password field. Ensure the system handles edge cases correctly. First, reject passwords that are too short, that is 5 characters, or too long, that is 13 characters. Second, accept password within the valid range, that is 6 to 12 characters. So this is all about boundary value analysis. Let's move for the next question. Next question is, what is equivalence class partitioning? The input data is split into equivalence classes, valid and invalid partitions. A single test case is selected from each partition, assuming that all values within that partition will behave similarly. This technique reduces redundancy while maintaining efficiency in testing. So let's understand with example. First is valid password. 8 to 16 characters includes number and special character. So password at the rate 1234, this is accepted by our application as per the requirement. Second, too short, less than 8 characters, PA at the rate 1. This is rejected. Too long, greater than 16 characters, long password at the rate 1234. This is rejected. No special character present in password. Then this is also rejected. No numbers is present in password. Then this is also rejected. All numbers, no letter is present. Then this is also rejected. All special character, no letter and numbers are present. This is also rejected. So only combination with 8 to 16 characters includes number and special character. This will be accepted. Other rest combination will be rejected by our application as per requirement. Let's understand the advantages of equivalence class partitioning. First, reduces test cases while ensuring good coverage. Second, helps identify missing logic in input validation. Third, works well for numeric input, text, text fields, and form validation. So this is all about equivalence class partitioning. Let's move for the another question. Next question is, what is decision table testing? Decision table testing is a black box testing technique used to test system with multiple input conditions that leads to different outputs. It helps ensure that all possible combinations of input are considered, making it useful for testing business rules, complex logic, and system behavior. Advantages of decision table testings are: first is covers all possible input combinations, reducing test gaps. Second is helps in testing complex business rules. Third is easy to understand and modify for different scenario. Let's understand with the different cases. Case 1. Correct username, yes. Correct password, yes. Account lock, no. Expected output, login successful. Case 2. Correct username, yes. Correct password, no. Account lock, no. Expected output, login fail. Case 3. Correct username, no. Correct password, yes. Account lock, no. Expected output, login fail. Case 4. Correct username, no. Correct password, no. Account log, yes. Expected output, login denied. So after multiple attempt, it should have to log our account. So this is all about decision table testing. Let's move for the another question. Next question is, what is state transition testing? State transition testing is a black box testing technique used to test systems that change their behavior based on past input or events. It is particularly useful for workflow based application, UI navigation and system with finite states, that is ATMs, login systems, elevators. So let's understand with example. Ideal condition, enter correct password, login, access granted. Second, ideal condition, enter incorrect password, attempt 1, try again. It will show error message. Attempt 1, enter incorrect password, attempt 2, try again. Attempt 2, enter incorrect password, account lock, access denied. It will show the error message. Account lock, then what we will have to do? Enter any password, account lock, access denied. Again we will see the error message. So how to remove that account lock? How to change the password? Account lock, admin reset account, ideal reset successful. So again we can do the login. So this is about the state transition testing example. Let's understand first state ideal, attempt 1, attempt 2, then account log. After 3 unsuccessful attempt, our account will be locked. Transition, correct password, login successful, 3 wrong password, account log, admin reset, back to ideal. So this is the state transition testing flow. So let's move for the another question. Next question is, what is use case testing? Use case testing is a black box testing technique that validates the functionality of a system based or a real world user interaction. It ensures that the system behaves as expected when user perform different action. So main success scenario, A is actor and S is the system. So it contains three steps. First is actor step is enter agent name and password. System validate password. System allow account access. Next is extension. 2A steps, password not valid. Then system display message and ask for retry 4 times. Then 2B, password not valid 4 times. Your system close application or it will lock your account. Advantages of use case testing. First is test real world user interaction. Second, helps in UI UX improvements by validating user experience. Third is ensure all scenarios including edge cases are covered. So this is all about use case testing. Next question is, what is error guessing? Error guessing is a black box testing technique where testers use their experience and intuition to predict possible defects without predefined rules. Example, login system, empty username or password, system should show an error, incorrect password multiple times, account should lock after 3 failed attempts. Third, special characters in username should be handled correctly. Fourth, SQL injection attempt or 1 equals to 1 or dash dash should not allow SQL injection. Slow internet connection, system should not crash. Key benefits of error guessing: first, finds unexpected bugs; second, quick and flexible; third, useful for negative and security testing. So this is all about error guessing. Next question is, what is exploratory testing? Definition: exploratory testing is an unscripted testing approach where testers explore the application, design test cases on the fly, and identify defect dynamically. Purpose of exploratory testing: focuses on discovering unexpected issues and improving software quality beyond predefined test cases. Who perform it? Experienced tester with strong analytical and domain knowledge. When to perform? When requirements are unclear, during early development, or for quick bug detection. Key characteristics of exploratory testing: first, no predefined test cases; second, rely on tester intuition, creativity and experience; third, helps find critical defects quickly. This is all about exploratory testing. Let's move for the another question is, what is ad hoc testing? Definition: ad hoc testing is an informal and unstructured testing approach where testers explore the application without predefined test cases or documentation. Purpose: quickly identify defects and unexpected issues that structured testing might miss. Who perform it? Tester, developer, or even business users with domain knowledge. When to perform? Anytime during the development cycle, often after formal testing phases. Key characteristics of ad hoc testing: first, no predefined test plan or documentation; second, rely on tester intuition, creativity and experience; third is helps uncover hidden defect quickly. So this is all about ad hoc testing. Next question is, what is pairwise testing? Pairwise testing is a black box testing technique that reduces test cases by ensuring that each pair of input values appears at least once in test cases. Example: form with three input fields. Consider a system with operating system as Windows, Mac OS, Linux, browsers as Chrome, Firefox, Edge, internet speed slow, fast. Total possible combination: 3 into 3 into 3 equals to 18 test cases. If we test all combination but using pairwise testing, we can reduce it to just 6 test cases, ensuring each pair of value is covered at least one. So operating system we are taking Windows, browsers we are taking as Chrome and Firefox. Then internet speed is slow and fast. Then third and fourth test case is for the operating system Mac OS, browser Chrome and Edge. Internet speed is fast and slow. Next is Linux. For Linux we are using browser as Chrome and Firefox, speed as fast and slow. So it will cover the 6 test cases. This is all about pairwise testing. Next question is, what is risk-based testing? Risk-based testing is a testing approach that prioritizes test cases based on risk associated with software component. The goal is to focus testing efforts on the most critical and high risk area to maximize defect detection while optimizing time and resources. Let's take the example of the banking application. Feature name is login and security. Risk level is high. Why? Security breach risk. Testing priority is highest. Second is fund transfer. Risk level is high, and financial transaction. So testing priority is highest. Balance check. Risk level is medium. Read only operation. That's why testing priority is medium. UI appearance, risk level is low. Why? Cosmetic issue, testing priority is lowest. So let's understand the advantages of risk-based testing. Optimizes testing efforts focus on critical areas. Second is reduces time and cost, test what matters most. Third, improve software quality, catch major defects early. So this is all about risk-based testing. Next question is, what is positive and negative testing? Positive testing is nothing but a happy path. Here checks if the system work as expected with valid input. Goal of positive testing is ensure the system functions correctly for normal scenario. Example, enter valid username and password, login successful, enter valid email format, accepted. Let's understand negative testing. Negative testing is nothing but an unhappy path. Here we will checks if the system handles invalid input or unexpected behavior properly. Goal of negative testing: identify crashes, security flaws, or errors handling weakness. Example, enter wrong password, invalid credential, error should display, leave fields empty, required field, error should display, enter special character in username, proper validation message should display. Benefits of positive and negative testing: ensure core functionality works. Positive testing identifies edge cases and vulnerabilities. Negative testing. So this is all about positive and negative testing. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. See you in the next one video.